Storm's Tech Channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra for Visible by Verizon. So that Galaxy S24 Ultra is here at Visible. It's been out since February. So if you guys like the Galaxy Note features and whatnot, the Galaxy S24 Ultra is the phone for you. It is available for $12.99. It's available in a titanium black color option. 256 gigabytes of storage, alright. So that is the front of the phone there. I am a big fan of the Galaxy S Ultra line because the design looks great, features are great and whatnot. So if you guys like the Galaxy Note features, the S Pen and all that, this is the phone for you. So anyways, you guys get your whole points there. Free front facing camera there. Power and RAM keys on the right side of the phone. Right side of the phone, power button, RAM keys. Back of the phone, music camera setup looks like 4 cameras. Yeah, 4 cameras here. It looks like it has 5, but it's actually 4 cameras. Camera flash, Samsung logo, S Pen. And then there's front and back of the Galaxy S24 Ultra and your S Pen, so pretty cool. So the Galaxy S24 Ultra is $36.08 a month for 36 months, 0% APR of $12.99 full retail price. I do recommend that you guys get phone insurance for your phone because you're paying $1,300 for it for retail price, so get phone insurance, definitely worth it, and definitely recommend it, right? Do more with the most epic Galaxy yet. Wondering where the cool museum that your favorite influencer visited is located? Google simply circle to search with Google and start planning your own trip to the Louvre, I guess that's how you say it, some French word or whatever. And then get ready to experience local flavors by calling ahead with Live Translate to make a reservation in French, even if all you know is bonjour. So, pretty interesting description there. Capture every detail of your Canon Light meal with impressive net photography and zoom in to see live violinist playing across the room. Once you're back in your hotel, elevate your pics from good to great right on your Galaxy S24 Ultra. You can even use your built-in S Pen to add fun doodles before posting. Unleash new ways to create, connect, and more with Galaxy S24 Ultra. Epic, just like that. Best for members take incredible photos even from far away with the impressive high-resolution camera. This is a 5G compatible device. Roaming on Visible Plus. Good news, your device is compatible with roaming in Mexico and Canada. Make sure you're on the right plan and your passport is up to date. Alright. Specs. So the Galaxy S24 Ultra has a 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED 2x Quad HD Plus display. The Galaxy S24 Ultra weighs 8.23 ounces, dimensions 6.40 inches height, 3.11 inches width, and 0.34 inches depth. It takes a nano physical SIM card and has eSIM option as well. Android 14, One UI 6.1. Rear cameras, you do get 4. You get a 200 megapixel wide camera with optical image stabilization, autofocus f1.7 aperture, 10 megapixel. You get two 10 megapixel telephoto cameras. One of them has 3 times telephoto. One of them is 3 times with OIS and autofocus f2.4 aperture. Then you have a 10 megapixel telephoto camera with 3 times. And then a 50 megapixel telephoto with 5 times OIS autofocus f3.4 aperture. I thought they were both for 10 megapixels, but one's 10 and one's 50 megapixel telephoto camera, so keep that in mind. 12 megapixel ultra wide camera, autofocus f2.2 aperture, and you have laser autofocus, and you have a flash, obviously. Alright. Front camera, 12 megapixel autofocus, f2.2 aperture, Samsung Galaxy. You have a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy chipset there, 256 gigabytes of storage. 5,000 mAh battery, talk time up to 45 hours, standby time up to 4.58 days. Security is fingerprint sensor, which is on the display. Face unlock. 5G sub-6 GHz C-band and millimeter wave framing on Visible Plus. What comes in the box is a Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Data cable, Type-C to Type-C, quick start guide, and terms and conditions. Yeah, if you guys want to learn more about the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, check the second link for that. Alright. So yeah, there you guys have it. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is here at Visible. It's been here since February. So if you guys like the Galaxy Note features and all that stuff, the Galaxy S24 Ultra is the phone for you. It has all the Galaxy Note features, S Pen and all that. So check it out now. It's a great looking device, great features, and I love this device a lot in terms of like design and everything else. So I think it looks very nice and definitely worth checking out if you're a Galaxy Note fan. So yeah. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and we'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.